The thing about skydiving is that they go through a lot of emotions that they've never experienced before. When the door opens up, it's like having 8 cups of coffee. And then they leave the aircraft, and then they're floating. And the parachute ride is really nice and quiet and peaceful for them. So they're going through a lot of emotions. So when they reach the ground, they're so exhilarated about what they've gone through because they've never experienced all this adrenaline rushing through their body. And it's really a life-changing experience. I started Skydive Santa Barbara here back in 1997, and the reason why I came here was because of the ocean views. We have ocean views to the west and to the south, which is unheard of in California. I've been skydiving for 47 years. I was lucky enough to be part of a team that won the British National Championships. I was in a world record in 1987. I'm 65 now, and hopefully I'll be still skydiving in my 90s. So I have a lot of experience, and it's just fun teaching new people how to jump and tell them stories about my experiences so they can learn more about the sport. In the skydiving industry, we're known for 18,000-foot skydives, which no one else in California does. Our aircraft here is a turboprop aircraft. It's basically a jet engine with a prop on the front of it. Our flights to 18,000 feet used to be about 25 minutes. Now we can do it in 10, 15 minutes. It's super fast. So that plane right there is the fastest climbing plane in the United States, which is pretty cool. One of my favorite things about running a skydiving school, I just love talking to people. It's like a social club down here. I love talking to people and find out why they're here, what sort of work do they do. I just love people. It's a no-brainer coming to Lompoc to skydive. Why wouldn't you come here? I mean, we have the ocean views. We have the best aircraft in the United States, rocket launchers, the best wine. Why would you go anywhere else?